Hi, and welcome to Love Your Home, our renovation tip of the week by Multi-Trade Building Services. I'm Jackie Stezik. I'm the Project Manager and Marketing Director for Multi-Trade Building Services. Each week, we bring you a new tip about general renovations, kitchens, bathrooms, interior design, and more. Today, we're going to talk about living without a kitchen during a renovation. Now, one of the biggest challenges our kitchen renovation clients face is how they are going to deal with meals without a kitchen. It can be very expensive to eat out at restaurants all the time. It can also be quite a challenge to figure out what to feed the family, washing up dishes, and even how to cook or where to prepare. No matter how efficient your kitchen contractor is, there is no doubt that you will be without a countertop, sink, and stove for a period of time during your kitchen renovation. It could be as little as a week, but more likely it's going to be 2 to 3 weeks. During COVID, some people were left without their kitchens for much longer, as non essential businesses were temporarily shut down and workers opted to stay home and self isolate. If you have a plan and you're prepared, living through a kitchen renovation, even one with delays, can be a breeze. Now, here's a great idea on how you can get through meals during a kitchen renovation. One of our kitchen clients was referred to us by her best friend. We had done her friend's kitchen about 3 years earlier. When we had our pre construction meeting just before starting, our client expressed some concern that she didn't have time to prepare meals in advance and didn't know how she was going to manage meals during the renovation. I suggested that she call her friend and offer to cook dinner for her friend's family 3 nights a week during her renovation. She and her family would come over and use her best friend's kitchen and cook the meals for both families. This idea worked great. Not only did she give her best friend a break from cooking 3 times during the week, but both families had an opportunity to socialize together. It was a welcome break for both families. And oh, by the way, obviously this happened prior to COVID. Would have been a little bit more challenging right now. So be creative. Don't have friends that you think would be open to this idea? How about calling your daughter or your son and making the same offer? Call your mom and dad and offer to cook them meals in the comfort of their own home during your kitchen renovation. You might actually end up having some fun in the kitchen. So, do you want to learn more ways to cook without a kitchen during your renovation? Check out our blog post. Just go to www.multitradebuildingservices.com/news and click on our blog post. Thank you so much for joining us this week for our Love Your Home renovation tip of the week, talking about living without a kitchen during your kitchen renovation. I hope you'll join us next week when we bring you one of 2021's interior decorating trends, working with navy as the new neutral. See you next week.